Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 10 plus conda or pip and disk space. Once ready, open an elevated terminal and update conda or pip so package resolution is reliable. Create a dedicated environment, name it pick Python 3, 10, then install Jupyter Lab and essential kernels. This isolates projects and avoids dependency conflicts, which saves time later. Make sure to note the environment path so you can activate it quickly in future sessions. Once the environment exists, activate it. You need the interpreter to match kernels. Then install ipykernel and register that kernel so Jupyter shows your env in the selector. Next, run Jupyter Lab from the same activated shell. Choose no browser if you prefer manual tab opening, or let it open automatically. While Jupyter runs, create a new notebook, set the kernel, and test with simple imports. This confirms packages load and paths resolve as expected before heavier work. To finish, organize notebooks into a project folder and commit initial files to Git so your work is reproducible. If Jupyter fails to start, inspect the terminal for errors. Common causes are path misconfiguration, another process using port 8888, or firewall blocking. If a kernel disconnects or shows errors, reinstall ipykernel or recreate the environment. This resets dependencies cleanly. One key tip: if kernels still misbehave, export requires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.